We'll guide you through how to create animation in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the default layout with the 3D viewport. You need to have the object you want to animate ready in your scene. Next, you can go to the bottom of the window and switch to the animation workspace by clicking on the tab labeled Animation. This will give you a timeline at the bottom of your screen. Now, select the object you want to animate. With your object selected, you can press the I key on your keyboard to insert a keyframe. A menu will pop up with different options. Choose location, rotation, or scale, depending on what you want to animate. This sets a keyframe at the current frame. Move the timeline cursor to another frame where you want the next action to occur. Adjust your object to the new position, rotation, or scale. Then press I again and insert another keyframe with the same option you chose before. Continue this process to create a sequence of movements. You can play the animation using the play button in the timeline controls to see how it looks. If you want to make the animation smoother, you can go to the graph editor, which is available in the animation workspace too. This tool allows you to fine-tune your animation curves for more precise control. Remember to save your work frequently by going to File, and then selecting Save As to prevent losing your progress. Once you're happy with your animation, you can render it out by going to Render in the top menu, then clicking Render Animation to export your finished piece. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.